In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data in ERPNext. Importing data can often seem like a daunting task, especially if you're new to ERPNext, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To start, you'll need to access the Data Import tool. You can do this by navigating through the menu. Simply head over to Home, then Tools, and finally click on Data Import. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker method, you can just use the search bar. Type in Data Import, and it should pop up right away. Once you're there, your next step is to select the document type. This is essentially the type of data you want to bring into your system, like items, customers, users, or any other options available. After you've made your choice, go ahead and click on Start Import. With that set up, you'll need to download the template. You'll see an option to click Download Template. Here you'll have two choices. The first one, with data, is if you're looking to edit existing entries. The other, blank template, is for creating new records from scratch. The choice depends on your goal. This template will come in the form of an Excel or CSV file, and it includes all necessary fields and options you need. Next, open the downloaded file and fill in your data. An important note here. You'll notice some fields are marked as required, so be sure to fill those in. As you fill in each section, pay attention to the drop-down values provided, such as gender or currency. It's essential to choose from these options to avoid any errors during the import process. And while filling out your template, it's crucial to leave the column headers unchanged. Altering them can lead to errors when you attempt to import the data. After your template is all filled out, head back to the Data Import tool. Make sure the doc type you select matches the one you previously downloaded the template for. Now, it's time to upload your file. Click on the option to attach, or simply drag and drop your completed file into the designated area. If you're confident everything's ready to be finalized, don't forget to select Submit After Import. Now, the moment of truth, beginning the actual import. Click on Import, and ERPNext will start processing your data. If everything is in order, you'll receive a success message. However, if there are issues, ERPNext will inform you with specific line numbers and reasons, making it easier for you to address any discrepancies. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to importing your data into ERPNext. By following these steps, you'll find that the process is much more manageable and less intimidating. Thanks for joining me today, and happy importing.